Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories are posted for the entire state as we go late this afternoon through tonight and tomorrow. The thump of heavier snow, maybe snowfall rates of an inch per hour, will be later tonight with some lingering lighter snow during the daylight hours on Friday and fair skies in between systems in time for the weekends. The snowfall really starts to build into southwestern areas of the state, maybe mixing with some rain in southern areas late this afternoon. But it is all snow later tonight, and snowfall rates could be over an inch per hour in some central areas of the state as we go through the evening and overnight hours. Much slower travel is expected out of this, even with the lingering lighter snow tomorrow. So as we kind of pan out here, you notice that burst of moisture moving out of the Ohio Valley. That is tonight's moisture, while the upper area of low pressure located back out in the Central Plains is what moves across the state as a lighter version of snow for the daylight hours tomorrow. Temperatures this afternoon in the 30s to lower 40s. Here comes this storm system, which again starts at around 3 or 4 o'clock in some southwestern areas, builds in across southern New Hampshire, could even mix with rain with temps in the upper 30s to near 40, but then switches over to all snow later tonight. This is the height of the evening and overnight hours where we see those snowfall rate potentials of over an inch per hour. Tomorrow, lingering lighter snow at times. An additional 1 to 2 inches of accumulation is a possibility. It does wrap up and fall apart later in the day as the low starts to move offshore, eventually setting up what should be partly sunny and breezy conditions for Saturday, and another system starting to move towards us later Sunday and Sunday night. Much like yesterday, widespread 4 to 8 inch totals. There could be some locally higher amounts up in elevation. Your 7-day forecast has 2 other systems we'll be tracking, one for Sunday night and another one for the middle of next week.